Next we have Isalpha method. This method checks whether the string consists of alphabetic characters only or not. If the string consists of alphabetic characters only, then it results true, otherwise false. And the string must contain at least one character, otherwise it results false. For example, here I have a string 18 is equal to string 19. Okay. Prithvi Raja L age is 38, okay, or 34 for example. If I use Isalpha method on this string, then we got false. This is because we have several spaces in this string. If we do not have any space, then if we save and run this code, again also we got false, because still we have comma. Yeah, there should not be any comma, digit, dot, blank space or special characters, only alphabetic characters. Okay, no other characters are allowed, otherwise it results false. Let us use 34 digit or numeric character. Save and run this code. So look at here, we got false. The string should consist only the alphabetic characters without any special characters, spaces, etc. Next we have Islower method. This method checks whether all the case based characters, means the letters of the string, are in lowercase or not. If they are in lowercase, then it results true, otherwise it results false. And the string must consist at least one cased character, otherwise it results false. For example, here I have a string 20 as initially I have this is Python. Look at here, the initial word this consists of the capital letter T. this word, this. This won't become a cased character or cased word. So if we apply Islower method on this, then we will get false, because initially at the beginning itself we are using the capital letter in the word this. Let us replace this with the small letter, means lowercase letter, and once again save and run this code. So we got true. Suppose if I change this capital, means the small p to capital P in the word Python, and if we save and run this code, we got an error. Here the cased characters should be in the lower case. If I use special character along with Python, for example like this, if I save this and run the code, again we have false. This word consists of Python, which is having the capital letter P instead of small letter. Let us change back to this small letter and see what happens. So we got true. It means all the cased characters in the string are should be in lowercase, otherwise it results false. So this is how the Islower method works on strings in Python. We will continue different methods on strings in the next lesson. Thanks for watching and see you inside the next lesson.